Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to load data from one table to another table in Informatica. So first to go to database level, let's create target table structures. So in this particular schema, I have already source table. So this source table name is src mp data. So I need same structure but without data. So first we will run this query. Let's see what type of data exists in this particular source table. So this is my source data. Now I want to load entire this particular source data into one target table. So for this one, first I will create one target table under this schema. So for this one, I use these same structures, employee ID, first name, last name. I need all same structure. Okay, in this target schema. So for this one, I use create as select statement. By using that one, we will copy this particular structures to this particular schema. So for this one, I use create table. I will provide name as emptzt. Okay, emp data. It means so this is newly create table. Okay, that particular name is tzt emp data. Then I will use as select star from. So here we need to provide the schema name. So dev src dev underscore src dot src emp data. So this is existing table structure name. Okay, then I will provide where 1 equal to 2. So if I run this query, whatever structure exists in this particular table, that particular table structure created with a new name as tgtmp data. If I run this query, see one table gets created, right? Now let me check whether structure gets created or not. Select the star from followed by table name. If I run this query, see structure is ready under this schema. Now we are going to create these two schemas connections in Informatica Cloud. For this one, go to administration service. Let's wait for some time. It's loading. Okay. So all services are loading except this integration service. So, so now we are in admin service. Now go to connections. Now click on this add connection option. It will navigate it to this page. Here we need to select whatever connections we need. We need to select that particular service here. So I'm using Oracle database. So that's why I choose this particular option. Click on this service, click on next. Now it's navigated to this page. Then we need to provide connection name. Any name you provide, I will provide src tab. Okay, source tab, or I will provide source. Then I will select environment. Then I will provide username dev underscore src. So this is nothing but our username. Okay, dev src. Next provide password. Then provide host name. So here host name is localhost. Port number is 1521. Service name is small xc. Then choose code page. Code page. Default I choose MSO Windows Latin. I will explain later what exactly this code page help us. I will explain later. Right now you blindly follow this particular option. Then click on test option. So it will automatically connect to our database. So it take 1 to 2 minutes time to connect the database. Once it's connected, here we are receiving this particular pop-up message. So this test for this kind of successful. It means our Informatica able to connect database. Click on save. Now this particular source connection is ready. Now I need target connection as well. Click on add connection again. Then choose service, Oracle database, connection information. Click on next. Then here we need to provide name as target. So select runtime environment, then provide username dev underscore tzt, then provide password host localhost service is small xe. Okay, then choose by default this code base. Now click on test option. Now this button pop-up is generated, means test file is successful. Click on save. So here this particular step is complete. So we are creating source and target connection. Next step is we need to import source and targets in tables in Informatica. So for this one, go to data integration service. So this service we need to switch. Okay, so I already open this particular service. So now click on this new, then choose mappings, click on create. Now we are in this page. Provide mapping name m underscore table to table data loading, then select the source and target transformation. So I don't use any other transformations here, just I use same source and target transformation in this pattern mapping. So select this source. Now click on this source option. Now expand this particular canvas, then click on this drop down, choose source. So you don't need to choose any other option, just go with single object. Later I will explain remaining all these options once you understand basic mappings. Then click on this select option. So whatever table present inside this particular DevSRC schema, all that particular table information displayed in this Informatica. So this is only table exist in that particular schema. So select that one, click on OK. Okay, now my source information is ready. Just click on save. Now select a target transformation. Here we need to perform two operations. Once we need to import target information here by selecting connection information. Select target, select object. Whatever table structures we are already created inside this schema, right? Select that particular table structure, click on OK. Now we need to perform field mapping here. Then only whatever data exit in this particular source fields, that particular data loaded into this target table. So for this one, click on field mapping. So till now we are not mapping any field, just drag here. Okay, employee ID to employee ID, first name to first name, last name to last name, department to department, join date to join date, and salary to salary. So if you are confusing about these options, now let's see, I will tell you. So unmap each field, we have auto map option also. Okay, just unmap all these things. If you have large number of columns, okay, then simply select this auto map options drop down, choose smart map. If I click on this smart map, automatically whatever field exactly exit in source and target automatically mapped. Now if you valid here, now see, still it is in invalid state. Once I click on valid, automatically this particular invalid state converted into valid state. It means all our target and field mappings are perfectly mapped to target. Now click on save. Next step is creating mapping configuration task. So for this one, first we need to copy this particular mapping name. Now here click on these three dots, go to new mapping task, then provide name. mct underscore followed by mapping name. Now select runtime environment. So this is mapping, right? Click on next. Now here we don't need to choose any options here right now. Just click on validate. Now it's become a valid state. Click on save. Once you click on save, automatically this run button enable. So before going to run this particular mapping task, first we need to open this monitor service. Now it's taking 1 to 2 minutes to load this service. Okay, now we are in this page, monitor service page. Now go to this data integration service again, click on run. Once you click on this run, automatically that particular job gets triggered, that particular job information available in this monitor service. So if you refresh, initially it is in running queue status, after it converting as running status, after that it will showing this status. It takes some time to process all the rows from source to target. Now keep on refresh here by selecting this option. Now see it status showing a succeeded state. It means whatever data exit in the source, that particular all the data load into target. Now go to database. Let's cross check whether data gets loading in this target table or not by follow this particular option. Now see this particular whatever source data exit, that particular data gets loaded into target table. Okay, so this way we can load data from one table to another table by using Informatica integration service. So in next lecture I will explain how to load data from table to flat file. So if you have any queries, please post your queries into comment sections. I will provide the update on those particular questions. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so I will provide all these basics to advanced level course in this particular channel. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.